What if I told you that the upcoming OnePlus 13 might outsmart both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Galaxy S25 Ultra? The OnePlus 13 is set to launch next month in China and will be available globally at the same time as the S25 Ultra. Importantly, it will be much more affordable than both, so let's dive into what makes this smartphone so mind-blowing. While no official renders have been revealed yet, we know that the back design will resemble the OnePlus Open with flat sides and rounded corners. The OnePlus 13 will keep its iconic alert slider and IR blasters. According to multiple leaks, it will feature an IP69 rating, enhancing its water resistance for longer periods. In terms of display, the iPhone 16 Pro Max and S25 Ultra are not the only ones setting records. The OnePlus 13 is joining the party. Its display will have the same dimensions as its predecessor, but with bezels as thin as those on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The OnePlus 13 is set to feature the BOE X2 display, the second in line to receive an A+ ranking after Samsung, which means more brighter visuals, less blue light, and a battery that lasts longer than OnePlus 12. It has a 2K resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate. Following current trends, this display will be flat with micro-curved glass on top, giving it a slightly rounded appearance from all sides. Additionally, the OnePlus 13 is getting an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner upgrade, similar to what we see in the Pixel 9 and S24 flagship phones. OnePlus 13 is going to be a performance beast. It is one of the first smartphones to feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. OnePlus has partnered with Google to integrate many of Google's AI features, including Circle Search. The OnePlus 13 will challenge the iPhone 16 Pro Max's performance in terms of raw power and match up with the S25 Ultra. What sets it apart is its multitasking capability. It has 3 times more RAM than the iPhone 16 Pro Max in China and still twice as much globally, making it equal to both the S25 Ultra and Pixel 9 Pro XL. OnePlus has upgraded to a triple 50-megapixel setup. They are testing various lenses, but the exact details are still unknown. While the camera setup on the OnePlus 12 was good, it wasn't enough against the S24 Ultra or iPhone 16 Pro Max. The Hasselblad partnership continues, and the OnePlus 13 will also incorporate AI features in its cameras. Beyond this, OnePlus has partnered with Google to integrate many of Google's AI features, including Circle Search. The OnePlus 13 camera will also include iPhone-like live photos, along with numerous upgrades in Oxygen OS 15, featuring notifications similar to those on iPhones. According to leaks, the OnePlus 13 will have a minimum of a 6,000 mAh battery, with support for 100 watts of fast charging. The price hasn't been revealed yet, but let's compare last-generation prices. With these significant upgrades, the OnePlus 13 promises incredible value for money. However, the S25 Ultra will certainly face tough competition.